Dogs can get itchy skin, just like people. Sometimes this itch is because of an allergy. An allergy happens when your dog's body reacts to something. This something is called an allergen. Allergens can be many things. They can be in food. They can be in the air, like pollen from plants. Even tiny dust mites in your house can be allergens. When your dog has an allergy, his skin might get red. It might become sore and very uncomfortable for him. It is very important to understand this. Your dog is relying on you to notice and to help him feel better. You need to watch your dog closely for signs. Is your dog scratching himself all the time? Does he lick his paws a lot or chew on his skin? Maybe you see his skin looks very red and irritated. Sometimes dogs with allergies get little bumps or rashes on their skin. In some cases, they might even start losing fur in certain patches. Another sign can be a bad smell coming from his skin. These are all clues. Your dog cannot tell you in words that he is uncomfortable, but his actions and his skin are showing you. Pay close attention to these signals. Why do dogs develop these skin allergies? It is a natural response, but an overactive one. A dog's body, like ours, has an immune system. This system is there to protect him from harmful things. When an allergen enters his body or touches his skin, his immune system might see it as a danger. It then tries to fight off this allergen. This fight inside his body causes the symptoms we see on the outside. The redness, the swelling, and the terrible itch are all part of this immune response. Some dog breeds are more prone to allergies. Some dogs are just more sensitive than others. Home care can offer some relief for your dog. It can make him feel more comfortable. We can try some simple and natural things at home. These home remedies can help to soothe his irritated skin. They can also help to reduce that constant nagging itch. However, it is very important to remember something. Home remedies are often for comfort, not always a cure. They might not fix the main problem. And most importantly, your veterinarian is your best partner in your dog's health. Always talk to your vet about any skin issues, especially if the problem does not get better quickly, or if it seems to be getting worse. One very good home remedy is an oatmeal bath. Oatmeal is very gentle. It is known for its calming effects on itchy and irritated skin. You can easily make an oatmeal bath for your dog. You will need plain, unflavoured oatmeal. Do not use the kind with sugar or fruit. Grind the oatmeal into a very fine powder. You can use a coffee grinder or a food processor for this. Then add this fine oatmeal powder to a tub of warm water. The water should feel comfortable, not too hot and not too cold. Mix it well until the water looks milky. This bath can provide wonderful relief. Giving an oatmeal bath is simple. First, ensure the water temperature is just right. Lukewarm is perfect for your dog's skin. Gently pour the milky oatmeal water all over your dog's body. Be careful to avoid getting it into his eyes, ears, or nose. As you pour, gently massage the oatmeal mixture into his fur and down to his skin. Let him stand and soak in the tub for about 10 to 15 minutes. This soaking time is important. It allows the oatmeal to work its magic and soothe his skin. After soaking, rinse him thoroughly with clean, lukewarm water to remove all residue. Coconut oil is another helpful item you might have at home. This oil is known for its moisturizing properties. It can help to soothe dry, flaky, and itchy skin. It can also help to reduce inflammation a little bit. When you choose coconut oil, look for organic, virgin, cold-pressed coconut oil. This type is the purest. You can apply a small amount of coconut oil directly to the affected areas of your dog's skin. Warm a tiny bit in your hands and gently rub it into the sore spots. Many dogs also like the taste of coconut oil, so they might try to lick it off. Using coconut oil needs a bit of care. While licking a small amount is usually safe, too much can cause problems. If your dog eats too much coconut oil, it might lead to an upset stomach or loose stools. So, always start with a very small amount applied to the skin. See how his skin and his tummy react. If you decide to give him coconut oil as a supplement in his food, also start small. For a small dog, 1/4 teaspoon per day is a good start. For larger dogs, you can go up to 1 teaspoon. Always observe your dog. The goal is to help his skin, not cause other issues. Chamomile tea is not just for calming humans. It can also be very soothing for your dog's itchy skin. Chamomile is a gentle herb with anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce redness and irritation. To use it, brew a strong cup of chamomile tea. You can use a few tea bags for this. Let the tea cool down completely. It must be completely cool before you use it on your dog. Once cooled, you can pour it into a clean spray bottle. Then you can lightly spray it onto your dog's itchy patches, or you can soak a clean cloth in the cool tea and gently pat it onto the sore areas. To make a chamomile tea spray or rinse effectively, use good quality chamomile. You can find chamomile tea bags in most grocery stores. Or you can use loose dried chamomile flowers if you have them. Steep the tea bags or flowers in freshly boiled water for about 10 minutes. This will make a strong infusion. After steeping, remove the tea bags or strain the loose flowers. It is very important to let the tea cool down to room temperature or even a bit cooler. Before you apply it all over, it is wise to test it on a small patch of your dog's skin. This helps ensure he doesn't have any unexpected reaction, though chamomile is usually very gentle. Apple cider vinegar, often called ACV, is another common household item. It can be beneficial for dogs with skin allergies. ACV has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means it can help to fight off some of the tiny organisms that can make skin problems worse. It can also help to restore the natural pH balance of your dog's skin, which can reduce itching. However, you must never ever use ACV undiluted on your dog's skin. Pure ACV is far too acidic and strong. It can burn and irritate his skin badly. Always dilute it properly with water. When using apple cider vinegar, safety is key. The most important rule is to dilute it. A good mixture is 1 part ACV to 1 part water. For example, mix half a cup of ACV with half a cup of water. Critically, you must not apply this ACV rinse to any open wounds, raw skin, or sores. If the skin is broken, the ACV will sting terribly and cause your dog a lot of pain. Always check his skin carefully first. If it is just itchy but not broken, you can use the diluted spray. Lightly spray it on the affected areas, avoiding his eyes, nose, and genital area. You do not need to rinse it off. Let it air dry. Baking soda is something most people have in their kitchen cupboard. It can be surprisingly helpful for dogs with itchy skin. Baking soda has properties that can help to dry out moist rashes. It can also provide quick relief from itching. You can make a simple paste using baking soda and water. Take a few tablespoons of baking soda. Slowly add a little bit of water at a time. Mix it until you get a thick paste, similar in consistency to toothpaste. You can then apply this paste directly onto the specific itchy spots or rashes on your dog's skin. Let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing. When you apply the baking soda paste, be very gentle. Do not rub it in too hard. Rubbing vigorously could irritate the already sensitive skin even more. Just gently spread a layer of the paste to cover the affected area. While the paste is on his skin, try to prevent your dog from licking it off. You might need to distract him or use a cone if he is very persistent. After the 20 minutes are up, it is important to rinse the area thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure all the baking soda residue is washed away. This remedy is best for small, localized itchy spots, not for covering his whole body. Before you try any new home remedy on your dog, there are safety tips to remember. Always test the remedy on a very small, inconspicuous area of your dog's skin first. Wait for at least 24 hours. Watch that small spot closely for any signs of a bad reaction, like increased redness, swelling, or more itching. If you see any negative reaction, do not use that remedy. Also, never use human shampoos, lotions, or skin products on your dog. These products are formulated for human skin pH and can be harmful or irritating to your dog. Keep all remedies away from your dog's sensitive eyes, his nose, and his mouth. Your dog's safety and well-being must always be your top priority. Home remedies can be a great help for mild skin allergies. They can bring your dog some much-needed comfort. However, it is crucial to know when to seek professional help from your veterinarian. If your dog's itching is severe and he seems very distressed, please call your vet. If his skin is broken, bleeding, has open sores, or looks infected with pus or a very bad smell, he needs veterinary attention right away. If you have been trying home care for a few days and you see no improvement, or if the condition seems to be getting worse, it is time to consult your vet. A veterinarian can perform tests to find the underlying cause of the allergies. They can then prescribe the most effective and safe treatment for your beloved companion. Your dog trusts you to make the best decisions for his health.